What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers? Good morning, it's March the 8th. Welcome to the Tradman Academy YouTube channel. Yes, it's snowing again. It's March. We've had a pretty windy and snowy weather at the moment. I'm just about to head off for work. I thought I'd show you this. This is just how windy it's been to give you an idea. That tree over here has been there for a long time, and the wind was strong enough to blow it all down. So yeah, that just missed the house. So here's my bedroom window and tree. So fortunately it blew down that way. I've got a little oil tank behind there as well. That's the oil for the heating for the house. So it just missed that. So that was quite fortunate. And that's all a brand new fence there between us and the neighbour because, well, that disappeared as well. So fun times here up in the northeast of Scotland. Freezing cold, bitterly cold, and wind at the moment, which is not good because I wanted to get out on my motorbike. It's March. I should be out on my motorbike, but I can't. So, oh well, I suppose I'll have to work instead. I thought I'd show you this as well, folks. If you haven't seen already, I've changed the van. This is the Ford Transit Custom, and just recently fitted the Rhino aluminium rack to it the other day with the help of Trad Dad and my younger brother Andy. So thanks very much, you two did a grand job. It's still there, it's still attached, so it's always a good start. I'm expecting all this to be pretty frozen. Let's have a look. So, oh okay, the bucket's stuck to the floor. That's a good start. And yeah, that's, oh, there we go. Okay, so the ice is, it's pretty solid in there. Oh, the joys. I thought we were past winter. What I'm going to use today as well to make sure we can carry on working, because the temperature is pretty low, is this -30 car screen wash. It's called Extreme Screen Wash. So I'm going to put some of that in. So I'll probably use quite a strong mixture of it to make sure that the water's not freezing up on me while I'm cleaning windows. Sometimes if it's really cold, I will just use purely that. So yeah, let's go and give it a try and see how we get on today. then folks, so that's the outside of this commercial job done. So the next job is to go and do the internals. So I've switched over for an internal applicator. So I have a separate applicator for doing internals and a different one for doing externals, and obviously changed the water in the bucket as well, so it's nice and fresh and clean for doing the insides. And we also use a big bath towel as well, put that down on the floor to make sure we catch any drips. So yep, let's go crack on and get a little heat up inside, and yeah, I'm not complaining about that. Let's go. Right then folks, so that's us finished for the day, just to let you see a few jobs while working in these icy conditions. So when I get home, what I like to do is just go and grab the dirty cloths, which we can see there's a fair pile of them here. So this is our sort of dirty cloth bin, if you like, and then I take that in and get them all washed in the washing machine. We'll take the tools in tonight because I think it's supposed to be quite cold tonight, so we'll take the tools in so we don't have a repeat of this morning with everything all frozen up. And my best pal is here. It's Bodie. Hello Bodie. He comes to see me every time I come home, don't you Bodie? Eh? We always have to play when I come home, don't we? Eh? Drop it then. Drop the ball. Drop it. Yes, good boy. Ready? Sit. Sit. Good boy. Woof. And there's Ollie. Ollie. Hello.
I have the matching shirt as you.
Oh, nice. Well, you had a good day?
Yes.
I'm just home from work.
Yeah, I know. I've seen you.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm putting on some clothes that match you.
Oh, I see. Cool. Well done, Trad boy. Is your room tidy? That was. Oh, shush you. Shush.
I'm doing one bit a day. So I'm doing my desk today, and I'm doing the shelves tomorrow, and I'm doing the hanging up after tomorrow.
Okay, so your room's tidy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll see you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
Right then folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Remember to share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. You take care, be good, and I'm going to go and play ball before this guy shouts at me again. Cheerio.